Meet Turkish MAM-C laser-guided smart munition system. It features high explosive blast fragmentation as well as multipurpose warhead, blast fragmentation, incendiary and armor piercing, and has 8 km range. They are used with drones, light attack aircraft, Bayraktar TB2 and Anka UAVs and other low payload capacity air platforms. It can engage both stationary and moving targets with high precision, including personnel, unarmored or light armored vehicles, radar antennas and soft targets such as weapon pits. The MAM-C smart micro-guided munition has already been integrated onto the Bayraktar tactical UAV and Anka male UAV that are currently being used by the Turkish Armed Forces.